What is going on, guys? We are back with another video. In this one we are going to be painting the 92 dually bed. I got the Charger on the truck right now. It's dead. I'm going to back it out of the way, get my fan and everything set up, get it all wiped down, cleaned off, taped up. Basically all I'm going to be taping is like the ends of the light socket or the plug-ins here, and the reflective badge and stuff on the side. I couldn't get those screws out, but on this side I got them out, so I'm just going to tape up the bulbs, probably wrap up the mud flap there, and yeah, that's basically going to be it. Like I said, I'm going to clean it all off and stuff, and yeah, that's basically going to be it till the truck gets charged and I can back out of the way. So I'll bring you guys back once I get it all taped up and masked off and stuff, and hopefully we can get the truck to move. So stick around. Alright guys, I got it all wiped off. I'm going to let it dry for probably 10 minutes now. I just took like a lacquer thinner type, or Spirit Minerals or whatever, just a wax and degreaser, wipe it down. I got everything taped up, but all this up here from this point here all the way over to that point is going to be black. Same with down here, and then there's going to be a bed liner in it, so that's why I didn't tape anything really up. Got the mud flaps all covered. We're going to let it sit, like I said, for a little bit to let it dry. I'll run my tack cloth over it and then get my paint and everything out mixed up, and we should be ready to go. I'm going to try and get this thing started. I don't know if it will start. It's only been on the Charger for probably 10 minutes maybe. Hopefully it will. And yeah, we're going to go from there. I'm going to climb in a dually real quick and see if it will start. So, I don't know. You guys can see it's still a mess in here. I still got shit hanging. That's just the ashtray. I just got to put it back up in there, and then I got to wire the boost gauge up and stuff. So I guess we'll see if it wants to turn over or not. Nope, not yet. Guess we'll let it sit for a little bit longer. So once I get this thing started up and moved, like I said, I'll get the truck bed wiped down again, and we'll start to paint it. So till then, I'm gonna go mix my paint and everything, make sure it's all stirred and good, and we'll bring you guys back. About time we get her started. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to get this painting underway. I got my paint mask. I just picked this up at Harbor Freight. It's like 20 bucks maybe. Here's my filter from when I painted the cab. So basically how this goes on there is it sits in there like this. Then you have this clasp that goes over top of it. What I'm going to do is show you guys another filter so yours doesn't end up like this. So basically I'm going to stick this on there like so, like how it goes. Then I have a paper towel here. I'm just going to cut the paper towel out and lay it over top just for an extra filter, so I don't burn through these ones as quick. It'll save my lungs with an extra filter type on there. So that's just a little trick you can do to keep yourself healthy when you're doing auto body work or painting.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, we got the truck bed painted. As you can see, it turned out really good. I don't know how well you can see it. Let me come this way where I got the big light. All painted up nice. Getting ready to shoot it with some clear coat. So that's going to be the next step. Get it all clear coated, and then once everything dries, we'll hit from black down, up will be black, and yeah, should be good to go. So as you've seen from that previous fast forwarded clip, I was painting it, so turned out really good. Kind of frustrated with how the tops turned out. I don't know how well you guys can see them, but it kind of looks like it's almost wavy. I kind of got it all cleared out a little bit. Oh, you can kind of see it right through here. Just looks like a little waviness, but oh well, I'm gonna shoot some clear coat on it now, and then like I said, we'll hit the black. Hey guys, we're back with another video. I'm just going to throw this one into the one that was shot previous. As you can see, the truck bed is painted from the previous clips and stuff. I had a little time-lapse video there for you showing you I painted it. Turned out really good. I don't know how well you can see the sparkle and stuff in it, but there you go. There's a little better. I can probably pull out my phone and give you a better shot of it here with the lighting. Yeah, there you go. You can see it sparkling. I put the tail lights in it. They're just setting in there. I don't have them screwed in or anything. As you can see, there's no screw in there. But today I'm going to be putting the black on the very front. What I mean the very front is up here. I didn't paint that. We're gonna do black from this all the way over to the other side. Bed rails will be black. We'll have a bed liner put in it, like a roll-on bed liner, and then same with the very bottom from this roll here down will be black as well for added protection and stuff. So I'm gonna at least try and get the front done today. The sides are going to be textured. The front I'm just going to brush it on. And yeah, we're going to go from there. I'm going to try and hopefully hit some up underneath here as well. So I'm going to get started. But next time you guys see that, it's probably going to be black. I might try and hit underneath, but I really need to wash it or clean it up a little bit. But I'll probably have a time-lapse video so you guys can see the process. I'm just going to come back and scuff this a little bit and then brush it on there. Okay guys, as you've seen in that last clip, I just took some steel wool and basically scuffed it up. You can see the scuff marks and stuff in there. I mean, you can sand it. There's no point. You just need to scuff it good enough. Basically just knock the shine off the paint to where this stuff will stick. I'm going to come back with some degreaser now, wipe it all down so I get a really good adhesion. And then get all this mud and stuff off, get it good and stuff in there, and then I'll bring you guys back and show you how to apply it. Alright guys, the stuff I'm using is just lacquer thinner. You can use acetone, you can use basically anything that's going to get this stuff clean. You can use rubbing alcohol, like a 80 or 90% rubbing alcohol, just get it clean. All I did was stick it on my microfiber here. It's just an old microfiber, and just wipe it clean like so. I already wiped it down once. Just wipe it to where it's good, like so, and then just let it sit for probably 10 to 15 minutes to let it fully dry, so when you go to put your liner on, it's not peeling off right away, or it doesn't want to stick right away. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna stir up my truck bed lining, and then I'll have a little time-lapse video so you guys can see how I apply it. Basically all I do is mix up my truck bed lining. This is Dupli-Color truck bed coating. I'm gonna stir it up real nice, get it nice thickness all the way through, and then I just have a cheap brush here, 3-inch brush. I'm just gonna brush it on all the way across, let it dry, probably come back with another coat to where you can't see any paint, and that's gonna be it. So yeah, should be a fun little experience. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and stay tuned till the end to see what this final product looks like. Alright guys, as you've seen from that last little montage fast forwarding clip, I got the first coat on here. I didn't go all the way up to the edge because I'm going to come back and put a piece of tape about where this roll is, just on this side of it, and I'll tape all the way up to it. You guys can see first coat looks decent. Don't be scared to put this stuff on either. I mean, just be sure to wear gloves. If you want to wear a mask, wear a mask. I got ventilation in here, so it's not too bad. But yeah, like I said, from here, so here up, this will all be bed liner, and then same from here to that roll down will be all bed liner all the way around. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little video. Be sure to like, subscribe, tune in for more awesome content. I was actually talking to Malachi from Loud and Proud. If you guys have seen his channel, I'll leave a link in the description. He was talking about repainting his truck, and I said, hey, I do auto body and stuff. So we were just talking back and forth on how to get clear coat and stuff off of his truck. So that was pretty cool. Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out his channel, be sure to go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description, like I said. I'll have a description for all the stuff I use in this video today. And thanks for sticking around. And make sure to subscribe and leave a comment.